Hi there guys, it's Mike from the Jessups Academy team, and today we're having a look at the Fusion from GoPro. This is the first 360 camera that GoPro have released, so we're going to take it for a little walk around Bristol today and see what kind of content we can capture. As well as using the grip that comes with the Fusion, I'm going to be using my Seeker backpack and this three-way today, which is perfect for mounting the Fusion over my shoulder, meaning it's seeing everything around me and I don't have to worry about catching anything as I'm walking. The GoPro Fusion looks a little different to other GoPros you may be familiar with. This is because it has two lenses, and you'll see that the lenses are in fact offset. And this offset allows for a more even stitch when you put the image from both lenses together. Now, behind each lens is a 2.7K sensor. This means that the total combined 360 image is 5.2K, allowing for 1080p or 4K at all angles. Now, because there are two lenses and two sensors, to keep processing down, there are actually two memory cards, which you'll see here, SD1 and SD2, meaning half the image goes to each card, and this means that the processing is much quicker. Now, for all its differences to the other GoPros, the Fusion still has some familiar features. It's waterproof to 5 meters, it is shock resistant, and it has digital video stabilization. And my favorite thing is it still has voice commands, which is perfect for when you want to say, GoPro, take a photo. This GoPro is great because it allows you to shoot everything around you and then pick your favorite angle afterwards. A lot of the times, particularly in sports such as BMXing, mountain biking, skateboarding, you spend a lot of time figuring out the angle and a lot of time shooting. So being able to take away that angle decision until after you've got the trick, it just makes life a lot easier and takes a lot of stress off the filming, especially if you're working on your own. Good. So we know the GoPro Fusion can film in 5.2K 360 and can take photos in 18 megapixels 360. There are a few more modes that you may recognize from other GoPros, including the burst photo mode, which can take 30 photos in 1 second, the night photo mode, which is perfect for long exposures, and the variety of time-lapse modes. Now, the time-lapse mode I'm currently using is time-lapse video, and I have some volunteers who are having a quick game of bowls in the sun, so we can have a look at what their game looks like over just a couple of seconds. So if the GoPro Fusion is offering the same functionality as a Hero 5 or a Hero 6, why go 360? Well, it's a whole new world of creative opportunities that you can be a part of. Whether it's shooting tiny planets in 360 photos or filming 360 time lapses and videos that people can then, using their smart devices, choose how they watch your content. GoPro have provided a brand new tool called OverCapture. This allows you to download your 360 footage to your smart device and then choose how that video is played back in a non-360 form. It's basically, rather than point and shoot, it's shoot, then point. Let's have a look at how that works. So now that we're just about finished with our little walk around Bristol with the GoPro Fusion, we're going to have a look at the footage we've been able to capture today. Now to do this, we're going to use our GoPro app on our smartphone, and when you connect, you'll be able to look at a low-res preview. Now this is great for just making sure the shot is how you want it. If you want to use OverCapture or get really high-res screen grabs of photos, the best way to do this is to download your footage and then you can get the very best quality. So when we're in our GoPro app, we're going to go straight to our media library and it's going to show our footage in an expanded view. So let's have a look at the Bulls game, which was a time-lapse video. And as you see, we can actually look straight around the first frame. And as we move our phone, it stays still relative. So now this is the clip that we want. We've picked it and we're going to hit the download button. And this is going to download in less than a minute. And bearing in mind, this is 5.2K footage, it's 30 seconds long. It's a high-res file. And this is actually quite an impressive download speed. Now that this clip is downloaded, we can click into it in our local media, which is down at this icon here, and we're going to click in, and you'll see that it's expanded the footage out to show us the full 360. As we click into it, we have a new little icon. This is our OverCapture icon. So we can view the footage, and as you see, it's a time lapse. We can zoom and we can correct. And we're just going to focus, because even though we're doing our piece to camera in the background, we're going to focus here on the game of bowls. So we're going to press pause. I'm going to come back to the beginning. This is where we want to focus. So we know that we've got the guys here. We're going to press our OverCapture button, press record, and see how it starts playing. And I can pinch very slowly, and we can watch this whole game unfolding. Don't need me there. I'm going to zoom in, and you can zoom right in to see each of the bowls coming through. And you see this is now being saved as a full HD file. It's downscaled it from the 5.2K into 1080p for easy viewing, and then all I have to do is, if I want to share it, I press here and it'll prepare the media to share. So that brings us to the end of our little walk around Bristol with the GoPro Fusion. Now, if you're wondering who's this camera for, it's really for anybody who wants to get into 360 creation. It has powerful professional level functions, but with easy to use features. The modes are just the same as any other GoPro, making it really easy to pick it up. If you want any more information on this camera, you can check it out at jessops.com or visit any one of our stores. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.